Hey, this is Tilak. Welcome back to one more tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to uh, look at a new product from Oracle that is called Oracle Fusion HCM Total Compensation Statement. We call it TCS. So we are going to look at the TCS product. This will be a series of lessons. The first session, we are going to introduce the product. Okay, we are going to look at what is TCS, our total compensation statement is. In our working life, where we are working is most of the time determined by the benefit we get. When I say benefit, it is not just a salary. Yes, the salary plays a main part of the benefit, but also other benefits like insurances, medical insurance, dental insurance, vision insurance, life insurance, shares like stock options, RSUs, and bonuses, and legal like insurance, like many others. But the salaries that are the cash remuneration is the only thing, though it is a bigger chunk of the benefit, does not determine the benefit. Okay. When you are, we most of the time we try to compare the salary. But what total compensation statement or TCS is doing is they are trying to give you the whole picture of what you are getting a benefit from an organization. So that will let you or enable you to compare two organizations. If you have two offer or are trying to jump from one place to other place, that let you to compare what really you are getting. Sometimes we may get a little more salary from one place, but you end up paying all the insurance from your pocket. Then, you end up losing it rather than getting more out of it. That is what TCS is trying to, give you a full picture of the organization. I try to explain with a smaller example. Let's see how much I will succeed in that, but let me do example. So, okay, now what is happening here is now, okay, now let's see, like we take the two different organizations, similar organization one, organization two. The first organization, we are just if you are comparing the salary, the first organization may give you a 63,000, the second organization will give you 60,000. In this case, the ORG one give you a 5% more than the ORG two. But if you are looking at the total benefit, it may give you a different picture. If you are looking at the bigger picture of it, this is trying to give you a kind of a different picture. The salary is though the organization one is more, the medical, dental, they are not providing it, life insurance, they are not providing it. If you are looking at the detailed picture of it, or the whole picture of the benefit, the second organization giving you 5% more than the first organization. This is exactly what total compensation is trying to give an entire picture of it. Okay. In Now this is just an introduction. Now in the next lesson, we see how Oracle is doing it, how the Oracle TCS is doing it. Till I see you in our next lesson. Bye.